Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes vegan. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Combine these in a large bowl, whisking them together until they are well mixed. This step ensures even distribution of the leavening agents, which is key for fluffy pancakes. Make sure your baking powder is fresh for the best results. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together your favorite plant-based milk, a touch of apple cider vinegar, and a neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil. Don't forget to add a splash of vanilla extract for that classic pancake flavor. Now, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred to avoid overmixing. Now it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly oil it. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface, which indicates they are ready to flip. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Adjust the heat as needed to prevent burning. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious vegan pancakes. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar are always great choices. A generous drizzle of pure maple syrup is a must, and for an extra treat, add a dollop of vegan whipped cream. These fluffy, plant-based pancakes are perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.